How to replace your $250 Prius battery with a $40 Walmart battery. 250, 40, 250, 40, 47 with everything you need to hook up. So let me show you how you do this. First thing you do is you come over to this positive terminal and you take off this. This is what goes to the special size terminal. These Prius batteries have a very unusual terminal size. They're kind of hard to find. You go to Walmart, buy a $40 battery, buy a $4 wire, and $2 bolts. And let's replace our $250 battery with a $40 battery. The existing negative terminal, I'm going to replace it with this wire that I bought. You'll see in a second. So I've taken this wire brush, and as you can see, I've taken it to this spot and exposed a lot of bare metal. So there I've installed my new negative power lead. It's a little bit longer because the battery is a little bit lower. You could actually probably get away with having just bent that and modified that in a way, but I might as well spend the extra $4. So now I'm going to use these post nut and bolts to attach this new negative lead to this style terminal. Let's see how it goes. Scratch that. These posts, these Everstart posts and nuts, do not fit into this type of lawnmower battery.
What did you say?
But I'm going to use this instead. Something I have laying around and should work. Alright, so there it is. That's what it looks like. You see, we got the negative terminal, negative wire, modified post, lawnmower battery, Prius. Alright, just to recap, I removed this off the positive lead on the Prius positive terminal, and then you directly wire this big box that they have. I'm not sure exactly what everything is, but I've directly used the hole that was in it and attached it directly to the lawnmower battery. I'm almost wrapped up. But I also want to just point one thing out, because I'm going to get a lot of people in the comments saying that gas can build up from this battery. That is true. This battery is in the living compartment of this vehicle. But if you'll notice this tube right here, right before it exits out the exit here, it has a little cutout on the underside of it right here. It has a little cutout on the underside of this tube, and that creates a low pressure right in this area and sucks any gas from here to an even lower pressure area on the outside of the vehicle. So if you know, check it out, you'll see that there's a cutout there. It acts like a venturi, and it sucks the gas in this region right here out. And again, one more time, you can see that the battery is actually in a separate air chamber, and the gas from the battery is being sucked out of that tube through a venturi action.